What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm excited. Today is open gym for Flag Northville. I got the gear on from head to toe. I'm very, very excited for it. But first, I got to start off with just getting my breakfast, getting what I need to get done, taking care of all my stuff before I go get that lift in. So I'm very excited. Shout out to everybody at Flag Northville for the gear. Definitely excited about that. But for right here, first of all, I got my first Phorm ready to go. Got my creatine, ignition, Formula 1. Got my little burrito, little breakfast burrito. I want to have my vitamins. Got to have my vitamins. Banana. Just starting off the day right. Just got to get all that stuff in. I'm excited to get this work in, and let's get to it. Guys, I also have, before I go to my workout, I always have to take overdrive. Overdrive is definitely something I love for fat burners. And then that Project One, that is the one that's going to get me right, give me the energy that I need for my pre-workout. This right here, this combo right here, I love this combo. This gets me going in the zone, and that's just something I love to do when I'm ready to work out, train, or whatever it is. This right here, this combination, flawless. All right, we are heading off to Flag Northville. We're getting some gas real quick. Got to get some gas, or I'm going to be the one pushing the car. So I'm heading to Flag Northville on the way there. But first, get some gas. That's the first thing we're going to do, and then we're going to get that lift in. So stay tuned.
Hey, let's play some tunes. You want me to DJ, or do you want to DJ? You got it? Okay. I'll be trusting you.
What type of vibe are you into before we get into
something hype,
hypey?
Wait, why'd you put our butt heaters on? My freaking house is burning.
I didn't.
Well, now I know why my butt's so hot.
That mug was burning my ass. All right, so we're here at Flag Northville. We're here, the building. We're walking to it. Everybody's walking. I'm excited to get this going. Excited to get this work in. Got chest, bis, and tris today, so should be good. Should be good. Let's see what happens. The lighting a little crazy, so we're in here.
You're doing good.
Hey, we're getting after it. Hey, Flag Northville, man. I'm excited. Got the cars and everything. This is gonna be so dope. Dana in the background. Oh yeah. Yeah, she ready to work. Let's get after it. Let's get after it. Getting it going. Getting it going. What's up, my guy? The man with the plan. Say what's up.
What's going on?
Hey, this is the guy that got me right on my first photo shoot with him. So that's the man right there. How you doing? Doing good? Doing good?
Yeah, good to see you guys.
Good to see you, man. Hopefully we get some content. Love the GoPro, man.
Go, dude.
Go to work. Definitely excited. Got done doing arms with my dog right here. Pumping out the arms, getting after it. Getting after it with the arms. Yeah. So that's what we're doing right now. Finishing up the arms, looking good. The place is sweet. Everybody's out here. We got the famous girl herself. She's killing the game. The gym is dope, real sweet. I love it. Love it. Lady over there working. We're just getting after it. We got the studio in here, guys. It's a little dark in here. I don't know if y'all can see. That's pretty dope, man. We got the studio, the gear. I love it. Got the shirts. Ooh, so cool. Oh, sweet.
Yeah, we try to like
Chill zone.
not eat like in front of the computer and shit.
That's so dope.
Three microwaves.
Oh, that's sick.
Like the videographer Justin sits here, Aaron sits in front of him.
Wow, that's
I'm
so
the
dope.
Computer in the front, Pat's over there. So this is like all of the marketing, creative area type of stuff.
So sick, man.
Customer service office, HR. This is a design studio. So, like for example, the Apex bag. Yeah. It was created in here, like from scratch.
Wow. Oh, really?
Yeah, the tour pack created in here. A lot of the leggings. This is actually a Black Friday release. What are we doing? Oh, we're just playing a little bit of horse.
All right, y'all, that is a wrap. We finished up with our workouts. Flag nor fail. Got some stuff, got some gear. I'm so excited to show you guys how the gym was. I hope you guys love that. Hope you guys want to see more content just like that. Like and subscribe right down there. Follow me on IG, jsmalls_09. And I hope to see you guys real soon. This was a blessing. Stay tuned and have a blessed day.